Salam. Okay, guys, I'm Asal, and here I want to talk about fruits. Okay, do you like fruits and vegetables? I don't know, but in our culture, in Persian culture, people use a lot of fruits. And maybe you know that Iran ranks first in fruit production in the Middle East and North Africa, and grows over 50 different kinds of fruits. And also, a number of fruits have originated in Iran, including Persian walnuts, limes, pomegranates, apples, apricots, grapes, figs, citron, and many others. Therefore, you can eat different kinds of fruits here. And I remember when my cousins uh, came in Iran about, I think, 50 or 20 years ago. They really liked the cucumbers, and they only ate cucumber, not anything, just cucumbers. And they say it has a very unique and a good smell that they can't find in the USA. I don't know. I never have been in the USA, but it was what they said. Now, in the following, I want to say the name of the fruits, some fruits. I can tell all fruits, okay, in Persian, and you can tell me what's your favorite one. Fruit, میوه, میوه. Almond, بادام, بادام. In spoken Persian, بادوم, بادوم. Apple, سیب, سیب. Apricot, زردآلو, زردآلو. Banana, موز, موز. Bitter orange or sour orange. نارنج, نارنج. Blackberry, تمشک, تمشک. Cantaloupe, طالبی, طالبی. Cherry, گیلاس, گیلاس. Coconut, نارگیل, نارگیل. Cucumber, خیار, خیار. Date, خرما, خرما. Fig, انجیر, انجیر. Grape, انگور, انگور. Lemon or lime, لیمو ترش, لیمو ترش. Mango, انبه, انبه. Nectarine, شلیل, شلیل. Peach, هلو, هلو. Or you can say hulu in a spoken Persian. Hulu. Pear, گلابی, گلابی. Persimmon, خرمالو, خرمالو. Pineapple, آناناس, آناناس. Plum, آلو, آلو. Sour cherry or black cherry, آلبالو آلبالو tangerine نارنگی نارنگی orange پرتقال پرتقال watermelon هندوانه هندوانه or in spoken Persian هندونه هندونه walnut گردو گردو Okay guys, here are some fruits and I hope you enjoy it and tell me what's your favorite fruit. میوه مورد علاقت چیه؟ میوه مورد علاقت چیه؟ What's your favorite fruit? Okay, see you in the next videos. Goodbye. خداحافظ.